Once upon a time, in a world of unsolved mysteries and mind-boggling enigmas, there emerged a shining beacon of hope: artificial intelligence. Welcome to AI Insanity, where we unravel the mysteries of the unknown, one bite at a time. Buckle up, my fellow detectives, as we embark on a journey into the fantastical realm of AI and the wonders it holds. Picture this. You're in your cozy armchair, sipping on a cup of your favorite coffee, deeply engrossed in an unsolved mystery documentary. As you watch, you find yourself questioning the sanity of those daring enough to tackle perplexing cases. How could they ever solve such enigmas? Enter AI. In the not-so-distant future, AI has revolutionized the world of unsolved mysteries. Gone are the days of scratchy audio recordings and blurry photos. AI has the power to analyze, decode, and transform chaotic data into crystal-clear evidence. It's like Sherlock Holmes on steroids. For example, let's delve into the notorious tale of the disappearing socks. Yes, you read that right. We've all experienced the confusing vanishing act our socks tend to pull off in the laundry. But fear not, AI is here to solve the mind-boggling mystery of the missing socks. Imagine having a tiny AI-powered detective embedded in your washing machine, scanning every nook and cranny, swiftly tracking down those elusive socks. Sounds crazy? It is AI insanity after all. But wait, there's more. AI doesn't stop at socks. It extends its reach into every aspect of our lives. Remember that childhood treasure map you found buried in the attic? The one that led to buried pirate treasure? AI can analyze all the historical data maps and clues surrounding it, making connections never seen before. It's like having a pirate's treasure-hunting parrot whispering secrets directly into your ear. And let's not forget about those intriguing cold cases that have captivated our imaginations for decades. With AI's ability to crunch vast amounts of data and identify patterns, no unsolved mystery stands a chance. From uncovering the identity of Jack the Ripper to unraveling the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle, AI can sift through mountains of information to crack the case wide open. It's like having Hercule Poirot as your personal digital assistant. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But fear not, my fellow AI enthusiasts, as we are living in an era where fiction is rapidly becoming reality. AI Insanity invites you to be a part of this exhilarating journey as we push the limits of what AI can do. So, my dear detectives, join us on AI Insanity, where we unravel unsolved mysteries and explore the untamed frontiers of AI. Like, subscribe, and leave your comments below, because solving mysteries isn't just for humans anymore. It's time to embrace the madness of AI Insanity. Remember, the truth is out there, and AI is our ally in the pursuit of unraveling the unknown. Together, let's celebrate the infinite possibilities and redefine what it means to solve unsolved mysteries. Stay curious, my friends, and let the AI Insanity begin.